Hi everyone, welcome to Edison Bob. Today I'm challenging you to uncover a secret that is hidden on chain. So I've been digging through the chain, through the Kusama blockchain, which is the incubation and innovation network for the Polkadot chain. And in the early days of Kusama, it seems like a riddle was hidden on chain or something was going on. So maybe it was part of a test or a stress test, but I have found these messages. So maybe to set the stage, this is happening in the first 300,000 blocks of Kusama. Kusama is the innovation network of Polkadot, and this means all the testing is happening on Kusama. And at the first million blocks, what you can mostly find is staking being used, democracy happening, so that the core features of Kusama and Polkadot are being deployed and tested in a live environment. And one of the early features was this system remark, which basically just allows you to post a text message on the chain. Could be hello, it could be any code, it could be a secret, and nowadays it is also used for the remark NFTs. And so in many of the blocks in the range of 250,000 to 300,000, you can find just many system remarks and they all start with 1337, which is a code of the early inhabitants of the internet, from lead speak, it means lead. So, and then there is always a changing sequence of characters. It's always a little bit different, but there seem to be some similarities. Differences and similarities, there is a pattern here. I was posting this on Twitter, and then Sean Tabrizi, who is the lead developer for Polkadot for Parity, seems to confirm that, or at least hint, that something is going on here. So I was speculating that this maybe was part of a stress test, but the hint he's giving seems to indicate that there is more going on here, that there is a secret here. And so now I'm really curious because it means someone has placed a riddle on chain. And I was always looking for something like this. I was always hoping to find something like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dig a little bit into this. I'm going to create a data set of all these remarks with the block number where it happened, with the address that posted it, and what the exact message was. And then we can start looking for patterns. So I'm going to publish this data set. I think I'm going to have a Notion page for this, or maybe sub-social blog post. And I would like us, for anyone who wants to join this challenge, to coordinate via a hashtag. Let's pick the hashtag lead riddle, so 1337 riddle. And we could find out what is going on here if there is a message. In the worst case, maybe it's not that deep as I'm hoping, but maybe there's a secret message here, and we can uncover it. So this would be a really fun game. So if you see this video, I'm going to attach whatever the latest information is. It could be linked to a blog post or to a Notion page. And we can coordinate via Twitter, via Subsocial, and find out what's going on here. So would love to see you join this riddle uncovering challenge. See you.